Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air 3 Pro. So, we have a few options how to enable or disable ANC. The first one is to use an application, or the second one is to use the gestures. Now, let's get started by use the application, open it, and if you edit here, you will see the same menu as I have. Just give a second to this application, this one. Then you click at the equalizer icon at the left bottom, here we go. And here it is, we have ambient sound control. So, if you use normal mode, you can just swipe to ANC. And we just enable it, and to disable, just swap to another mode. Now, if you use gestures, you need to press and hold at the touch area on your left earbud, touch area located where we have SOUNDPEATS logo. So you just press and hold on it. And if you use normal mode, you will swap to ANC. Did we? No. I guess we need to press and hold again. Or I will put it on my ear and I will press and hold. And now we swap to ANC. Then to disable it, just press and hold again and you will swap to transparency mode. And from transparency mode you will swap to normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!